నా పేరు రాధా. నేను ఇంజనీరింగ్ థర్డ్ ఇయర్ ఈసీఈ చదువుతున్నాను. సార్ 2014లో ఆర్జీకేట్ నుండి 6000 గ్రామీణ కుసుమాలు జాతి సేవకే అందుబాటులో ఉన్నారు. సో దాని గురించి మీ అంచనాలు ఏంటి? ఒకవేళ అవకాశం ఉంటే మీరు వారిని ఏ విధంగా ఉపయోగించుకుంటారు?
You are the future of this state and the country.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I want you to become the future of this world. You are the future citizens of this state and country. You should be world conquerors. Not best in the country is not enough for us. You should be best in the world to compete with the world.
Thank you, sir.
Okay?
Thank you, sir.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.
నా పేరు ముఖేష్. నేను ఇక్కడ ఇంజనీరింగ్ థర్డ్ ఇయర్ చదువుతున్నాను సార్. మా ఆర్జీకేటీ విద్యార్థులు చాలామంది రాష్ట్ర మరియు దేశీయ స్థాయి క్రీడల్లో విశేషమైన ప్రతిభ కనపరిచి కూడా ఇక్కడ నిరంతరం సాధన చేయడానికి సరైన క్రీడా మైదానం లేక ఇబ్బంది పడుతున్నారు సార్. మా ఈ విద్యార్థులకు మీరు ఏ విధంగా సహాయపడదలుచుకున్నారు ప్లీజ్?
Land acquisition, we'll agree to it. Remaining 100 acres they wanted, we will agree to it and give it. Okay?
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
I'm Srilata. I'm studying PUC second year. What's my question is, for development, education is necessary. In our state, the quality of education, how is it maintained, and which type of reforms you are taking to give good education to all, not only the IIIT, total education system in our state. Thank you, sir.
Very important that the students start to think big, dream big. Nothing is impossible today in this world. If we have the clarity of thought and consistency of thought, your hard work and dedication, I think whatever you are aiming at, you can surely achieve. Don't think small. Think big, plan well, put your direction to the plan you want to achieve in your life, and you have to achieve that. But the first question I asked, what do you mean by education? As far as I am concerned, education is not for a job. Education is not for marks, or education is not for earning. Basically, education means it has to give you the knowledge of trying to overcome every situation in your life. You will have to think positively, think well. Your education should help you to take a correct decision at every particular moment of your life. It could be a difficult time, it could be a happy time, or it could be a medium type of problem. But never get dejected. I ask all the student faculty today, from here, from Nejwedu, that you have to have the confidence to aim well and the hard work to achieve your aim. Unless you develop this self-confidence, it is very difficult. But there is a very thin line between self-confidence and overconfidence. Don't ever get overconfident. Whatever you want to do it with confidence, try to do it in the best procedure or best way you can do. What is correct, what should be done, you have to decide. You have to have a continuous change in your attitude towards life. You will have to change every minute, every moment of your life is a learning process. Nothing comes easy. Slowly you will start realizing the world. You are in the best part of your life today. The student life is the best part of anyone's life. Mind you, enjoy your student life. All of you here, I think you are not happy about it. You are thinking very hard about your future, Don't worry, you'll have a very bright future in this state and in the country. Enjoy your student life, enjoy your life in college, but with responsibility, but with an ambition. When you are enjoying, you enjoy your life. But you have to have an aim, you have to have responsibility, you have to be clear in what you want to do.